Cracking your knuckles does not give you arthritis, and the guy who proved it is a total legend. One scientist literally chose violence. Donald Unger, he cracked the knuckles on only his left hand. Every day, for 60 years, and he left his right hand alone. No cracks, no pops, nothing. When doctors finally compared the two hands, guess what? Zero difference. No extra arthritis. Not even a little. The popping sound? That's just gas bubbles releasing inside your joints. Not your bones grinding. Even major medical studies back this up. There's no link between knuckle cracking and arthritis. So yeah, your grandma was wrong. Crack away. Follow for more everyday myths that everyone believes.